better nutrition, especially among our children, our mothers, our fathers, and the youth? So,
Yeah, today it was the policy roundtable, the EU-Africa policy roundtable dialogue, which was a conversation around the policy recommendations to close the policy gaps in Africa, particularly to have policies that create an enabling environment for the scaling and commercialization of bio-based solutions and technologies that came from the BIO4Africa project. And therefore, today we brought in delegates from Africa and also from EU to engage in a very interesting conversation.
The policy dialogue linked to the BIO4Africa project, which is looking at the opportunities presented by bioeconomy, looking at how we can use bioresources to stimulate economic growth in the continent, fits very well with the work that we're doing at ACT, the African Center for Technology Studies.
These technologies are, some of them are simple, but the simplicity makes it more valuable to the rural communities in Africa, especially in the circular economy. And so it's a matter of taking the pilot and see if they can scale to a point where it can be economic and beneficial.
I'm interested in disseminating the learnings from the Bio4Africa project to the Mauritian context. Mauritius has a wicked waste problem. We produce 540,000 tons of waste annually, of which 60% is bio-based waste.
My optimism is very high today, especially after the key high note conversations that we have had here. It is clear that we have what it takes to facilitate the commercialization of these technologies. In the next steps, we are going to compile the recommendations that came from this conversation, and then we'll use them to engage with the policymakers to facilitate the creation of the enabling environment that we need to drive the commercialization of these technologies. So yes, I'm very optimistic.
I'm always particularly proud to see when project coordination goes well and there is a seamless and well-delivered